Rocky had a big problem. He just couldn't stay away from his mobile phone. Whether he was eating, sitting in a bus, walking in the market, even in the washroom, Rocky was always watching some video on his phone. One day he was coming back home from the market, and as always, he was busy watching a funny video. Without looking up, he entered his house. Or so he thought. Still watching the video, he went into the bedroom and sat down on the sofa and called out,
Darling, please bring me a cup of tea.
After a while, a woman brought him tea. In one hand the tea, in the other hand, her own phone. She was also busy watching a video. Rocky took the cup and sipped it, eyes still fixed on his screen. The woman sat next to him. Both drinking tea, both watching different videos, but what they didn't know was, this was not Rocky's home, and the woman was not Rocky's wife. She was his neighbor, Lisa, and Liza didn't even realize Rocky wasn't her husband. Why? Because she was also addicted to her phone. But then, things got scary. The main door opened, and in walked Liza's husband, a dark, scary-looking man. But guess what? He also had a phone in his hand and was watching a video, and sat on the sofa and called out,
Honey, please bring me some tea too.
Rocky and Liza both looked up. Finally, they saw him, and he saw Rocky. Rocky froze. Then, he jumped up and ran out of the house like a rocket. Rocky thought, if Liza's husband had caught me today and seen me sitting on the bed with her, he'd think I was her boyfriend, and he'd beat me up for sure. Moral of the story: too much phone can make you blind to the world around you. You might end up in the wrong house, or even worse, the wrong life.
Press the subscribe button to watch more videos.